Hi, really grateful to Dr. Jai Singh and Dr. Poonam Nikam for inviting me to address the students from IIEBM today. I addressed roughly around 350 students from the college, and what a lovely, vibrant batch. They were extremely receptive to the thought processes that I shared, and they were keen on joining on the Vibrant Fellowship program that we talked about, the WNS Cares Foundation Vibrant Fellowship program. And it was a wonderful delight talking to them. The faculty members, all of them were pretty cordial with me, and I felt warm and comfortable and welcomed over here. So thank you so much for calling me in and having me speak about my life experiences and about my career experiences. Students felt inspired, they did share it with me, and I hope the students keep in touch with me, and I would look forward for them to do well in life. Thank you so much.